Hi, this is April Fayetta. This video is going to show you another option for what you can do with your screencast videos if you do not want to use YouTube to publish your videos. So I just opened my Google Drive and I created a folder, and all you need to do is just get your video that you made and just drag it and drop it into the folder. And when it does upload, you can click on it, get the link, go to Share Settings, and adjust your settings for who can view your video. Then get the link to your video. Do it again. You can copy it and post it onto your Google Classroom. You can say, please watch this video, and then go ahead and add it. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is, I'll go ahead and post. Another way you can do it is if you are assigning a series of videos to watch. When I post videos for students to watch for their morning question or their daily question, sometimes YouTube won't come up at school on the school site. So I will open a Google slide and you can insert the video here as well. Go to Insert Video. Find it on your drive. It'll ask you, Google Drive. Select the one you would like the students to watch, and they can watch it on Google Slides, and it will link directly to your Google Drive. And that is another option of publishing your video if you do not want to share it on YouTube.